Discover the Jordan Trunner OS in Mink Brown, Dusty Peach, and Metallic Gold, a lifestyle sneaker built with layered textures and modern performance DNA. Mixing suede, mesh, bouclé-style knit, and a ribbed TPU cage, this model delivers a three-dimensional look with strong visual depth. Its calm mink brown base contrasts with black overlays and gold accents for a refined yet standout aesthetic. The thick midsole offers stable cushioning, while rope-style laces and two extra lace options, beige and deep red, let you customize your style instantly. Inspired by Jordan's running meets basketball heritage, the Trunner OS focuses on lightweight comfort and lateral stability, making it ideal for daily wear. From street outfits to sporty fits, its textured construction, dark brown outsole, and subtle functional groove keep it versatile and stylish. This sneaker blends quiet sophistication with bold detailing, perfect for viewers seeking premium design and modern utility.